The OPPO A74 features punch-hole display for an immersive experience while watching videos, playing games, or reading ebooks. It is available in fluid black and fantastic purple colors. The phone comes with a 6GB RAM that allows for seamless multitasking. It also comes with 128GB internal memory that is expandable up to 256GB to store all your photos, videos, and files. The phone comes with dual SIM. Both slots support 5G on dual standby. OPPO A74 has a 6.49-inch FHD Plus display with a 90.5% screen-to-body ratio for an uninterrupted viewing experience. With 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution and hyper-color screen, the phone delivers vivid colors and clarity. The 90Hz refresh rate allows for smooth scrolling. The phone comes with Side Fingerprint Sensor, allowing you to unlock your phone instantly and securely. OPPO A74 comes with 48-megapixel quad rear camera and 8-megapixel front camera. Powered by ColorOS 11.1 based on Android v11.0 operating system with Octa-core processor and Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 5G GPU 619, this phone gives a smooth performance during games and video playback. OPPO A74 comes with 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery with 18-watt fast charge technology. The box includes phone, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide, and safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy, and further information, visit the product detail page.